Well, this is the very first time that I'm bringing Rosie down to see the boat, so let's see what happens together. All right, my girl, let's just wait. Hang on. I know you're excited, but I just gotta lock the door. Wait a second. Okay. All right, come on. Come on this way. Let's wait. Come on. Hang on. This is hard filming you and doing this. Walking you and filming you. Let's go this way. Come on. Come on, keep going. I brought her here once before and she paused right here at the ramp. Let's see. Go ahead, come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on, you can do it. There you go. Keep going. This way. Keep going. I'm curious to see if she'll actually get on the boat, or do I have to get up and coax her up? Keep going. It's okay. Come on, keep going. Okay, wait. You coming on the boat? Go ahead. Come on this way. Come on. There you go. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Yes, I know. Oh, let's see. What's that beeping noise? I know what it is. Would you like to come in the boat? Yeah. All right, I'm gonna have to put you down. Hang on, Rosie. No. Stay here. Come back over here. Well, at least you're excited about it, right? second. Just wait. Hey, just wait. All right, you ready? Come on, let's go in. Come on, go down the steps. Hey, down the steps. Go ahead, good girl. Good girl. Here, I'll turn some lights on. And you already found your package. I got there's a special package over there for you. I want to just put this up to keep you in for a moment while I turn everything off. Oh, you're making yourself at home already, I see. Well, what do you think? What do you think, my girl? Huh? Yeah, I got something for you. I got something for you. Yeah, sit down. Sit. Hey, sit. Can you sit? Hey, can you sit? Oh, what's this? Sit down. Come on. Hey, sit. Just wait. We're gonna have a little toys for you on the boat. Would you like this nice walrus? Would you like this walrus? Oh yeah. Oh, that's a nice walrus. Oh yeah. Well, I think she likes it. We'll see what happens the first time we move. What happened? You don't like the walrus? All right, you're gonna stay here. Hang on.